Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, October the 1st. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of Nike. This is a 60 minutes chart. Now this stock has been really strong. Okay, it keeps making all-time high basically almost every day. We are looking now for Nike to finish this with 5 of 1 here. Okay, to finish with 5, and then from there it can get a pullback. Okay, it can get a pullback. So this is by no means an invitation to sell because it is bullish, right? It can keep extending higher, no doubt about it, and doesn't have to pull back this much either. All right, but overall the idea is that we are ending a 5 ways up, soon going to do a pullback, and that pullback should continue to be supported. So that's the whole idea about this chart. That pullback should continue to be supported in 3711 swing for further upside. Now, if this is going to correct in the wave 4, or sorry, in the wave 2, then the real sort of invalidation level that you should be concerned about is not necessarily 86.77. This invalidation level here actually is only for this last push here, right? But for the wave 2, you got to see, this is a daily chart by the way, we are going to end this 5 ways up here, right? So in the wave 2, it can correct this entire 5 waves. It's no longer, it doesn't have to stay above 86.77. It does have to stay above here, 78. So the real invalidation level for this pullback here later on is going to be this 78. Now as far as we can stay above 78 in this pullback, then we should continue to see further upside. Now what can be a potential target on the upside? If you just simply measure, you can see right here, this looks impulsive, and then the correction is finished, and then you got another leg higher, right? So if you just simply measure 3 swings like this, then you will see target on the upside 100.4, right? So at least it's gonna aim for 100. It's an even number, so it usually likes to aim for some sort of round number like that, $100. All right, and now, all right, so we still have a upside target at least $100. Soon though, we should get a pullback, not to be sold. Can keep going up, guys, doesn't have to sell off. So the sell-off should continue to find support in 3711 swing for further upside. Now if we take a look at the weekly, now this is when it gets very interesting. Very strong, no doubt about it, right? Very strong. In fact, the 2009 you know, this sell-off here in the 2009 is barely a blip, even though, yeah, technically it's almost like a you know, like almost like a 50%, but since then it has been so strong, right? Very strong. 9 times, I mean, it's 10 years, almost 1,000 times multiple, right? That's insane. Very strong. Now almost like 100% return per year basically. Now you can see right here, if we take a look at the weekly chart, now no question about it, we are extreme. If we are looking at the weekly, it is extreme. You can say that this could be some sort of 3 and 4 here. Now since then we rally again, but still it looks like the rally is incomplete. So if we assume this is 3 and 4, so we are in the wave 5, the big 5. You can see this is a 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and then now we are within 5 of 5. That's when we That's where we start here. I mean, this move here, this high we measured before is this one. So we're within 5 of 5, in which this is 1 of 5 of 5, 2 of 5 of 5, this is 3 of 5 of 5. So yeah, if you look at the weekly, the largest degree, we are kind of very extreme. I'll take a look at the divergence here. Extremely it's like there's no momentum left. You can see the divergence has started since 2015, right? And it never really I mean, despite the new high in the price, the momentum doesn't say so. So doesn't mean it's gonna collapse anytime soon, but that tells you that tells you it is mature in the very large time frame. But since we are just focusing on the shorter time frame now, then the idea is simple. The idea is, as far as we stay above 78, we should be ending the 5-way soon. We should get a pullback, and the pullback, as long as the pullback doesn't break above 78, we can see another leg higher, targeting $100. So that's in the short term. That's pretty simple, right? If we break below 78, then everything can change. But for now, that's what we are looking for. All right. So thanks very much for listening, and if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe our channel. And also, we have 14 days free trial, as well as promotion right now. 2 months from the price of 1, so you get 2 months subscription from the price of 1, and I will provide the link in the description of the video below. So thank you, and see you all again tomorrow.